Good morning. Welcome back, students. I hope you all are well and fine. Today we will do the 8th chapter of class 3 moral science. Love and respect your teachers. So students, according to you, who is a teacher? A person who teaches you good manners. A person who teaches you what is right, what is wrong. Whatever you learn from them in school is what they teach you. They guide you in every walk of life. They help you in your studies, in extracurricular activities, and also if in your personal life, if you have any problem, you can approach your teacher and ask for his or her help. So children, after your parents, it is the teachers who play a very big role in your life. We are with our teachers for 4 or 5 hours in the school and we learn so much from them. Not only about the studies, but apart from studies, about the various good manners, how to live a good life and how to be a good person, a well-behaved human being. From whom do we learn these all things? We learn these all things from our Guru, our teacher. Teachers tell us what is right or wrong. They guide us in every walk of our life. We should all love and respect our teachers. We should always obey them. We should always listen to them carefully and always follow their rules made by them. Understood, children? Now let us read the story of an American artist, James Billy, and let us see how a teacher changed his life. James Billy was regarded as a bad boy in his school. He was a leader of a group of boys who were real rogues of the school. So what do you mean by rogues, children? It means the person who is not well behaved, who doesn't know how to behave, mischievous, dishonest. So he was the leader of the group of boys who were the real rogues of the school. Then one day what happened, children? A new teacher arrived at their school. When the teacher entered James Billy's classroom, he introduced himself. That what was his name, earlier where he had taught, and why was teaching his passion, whatever he introduced, few lines about him. But when he was asking the student their names, he saw that some students were passing little scraps of paper among themselves. In fact, they were making fun of the new teacher. So, all of them were making the fun of the new teacher. Then what happened, students? The teacher got hold of those papers and saw that they contained his cartoons. When the teacher got hold of those papers and he looked inside, he saw that it contains his cartoons. He asked that who has drawn those drawings? James Billy, he stood up and said that, yes sir, I have done it. James accepted that he had done it. The teacher told James to meet him after the school hours. James was nervous that what happened now, what sir will say to me. Then to his amazement, teacher gave him a book on drawing. He was amazed that the new teacher gave him a book on drawing. The teacher told him that yes, you can become a good artist. And he left the place saying, James, may God bless you. The teacher left that place saying to James that may God bless you. This was the incident that changed the life of James entirely. When he grew up, he became a very good artist. The wise teacher taught James how to respect teachers by his kind act. So children, even though James made fun of his teacher, but that teacher never scolded James and he even encouraged him by giving him a book on drawing, and he said that you can become a very good artist in future, and he blessed him and he went away. This was the incident that touched James and it changed his life entirely. When he grew up, he became a very good artist. So this was how children, a wise teacher, a good teacher, he taught James how to respect teachers by his kind act. So what is the thought of the day here? A teacher is like a lamp who imparts light to our lives. So a teacher is like a lamp who imparts light to our lives and she removes the darkness if it's there. She provides us knowledge. Understood, children? So you should also never make fun of your teachers. You should respect them, obey them, and listen to what they say. Thank you.